Greetings, brothers and sisters. Hope you're having a fabulous day. This is the first video of updates regarding our Victory Tour Galactic Starseed reunions. And the first event is scheduled for Saturday, August 13th, and begins at 5 in the afternoon. Beautiful property. A magical event. We'll be doing recalibrations, healing activations, as well as I'll be sharing special messages from all of my galactic team. I am a commander with the Andromeda Nordic Fleet and affiliated with the Council of Light, and been on this mission my entire life. So I would like to invite you to join us. And you can write to Victorialiljenquist at gmail.com if you have questions you'd like to come. It is by donation, and so everyone can join us. And we have plans to take this nationwide, 2 cities across the country. We are planning on doing one in New Mexico and Utah, perhaps Nevada and the Midwest, and we've had invitations in many places. And I say we because that is myself and the Galactic Brotherhood of Light that I capture on film. So sending you much love in the beginning of the Lion's Gate, and just stay in the love and the joy and the unity, and we have great and glorious things coming.